There's two things I'm proud of from Hoko. Snowballs and ice cream. Just to clarify, Hoko is the nickname for the county that I live in. We Marylanders don't generally identify by the town we live in, but instead identify by the county. I don't know why. Now, where we get snowballs is called the Snowball Stand, which is literally a hut in someone's front yard. A very nice hut, but still a hut. Every summer I pick a new flavor that I stick throughout the summer. Some of my favorites have been Sky Blue with Marshmallow, Grape with Nerds, Ice Cream Flavored Snowball, not ice cream flavored Snowball, Wedding Cake and Strawberry mixed together, and the Reese's Cup, which is this chocolatey peanut butter heaven all mushed together on ice. Sounds weird, but it's good. The other thing I'm proud of is ice cream, which comes from Soft Stuff. So Soft Stuff has been absent from my life for 2 years. Why? When I grew up with it, it was in front of this creepy motel that was literally falling to the ground, and no one ever stayed there. But then 2 years ago, they destroyed the building without any warning. And this summer, they opened up the new Soft Stuff, which is still in the same ground as the old Soft Stuff, but just a lot better. And ice cream's the same, so that's good. This is the last thing I ate before I came to Denmark. It was just like the olden days. It was a great goodbye gift.